kung todo effort ka at hindi ka pa rin umaangat, baka hindi skills ang problema. Baka ikaw mismo ang humaharang sa sarili mong success. Here are 5 attitude killers that holds many people back. Number 1, lack of belief. Kung ikaw mismo duda, paano maniniwala ang ibang tao? Belief creates confidence, and confidence attracts people. Number 2, fear of rejection. In network marketing, rejection is part of the process. Every no brings you closer to the right yes. Number 3, overthinking. You keep waiting for the perfect words, perfect timing, perfect moment. Pero habang naghihintay ka, walang nangyayari. Action creates progress, not perfection. Number 4, inconsistency. Usually, ganito ang karamihan. Gustong mag-succeed, pero walang momentum. Success comes from small actions, done every day. Number 5, always complaining. Kapag puro reklamo, nawawala ang vision at ang drive mo. Leaders focus on solutions, not excuses. If you want to grow in network marketing, you must fix your attitude before expecting bigger results. Because when you change your attitude, your confidence change, your actions change, your outcomes change. At hanggat hindi mo inaayos ang attitude mo, mananatili kang nagtatanong, bakit hindi pa rin ako kumikita sa network marketing business ko?